Hello everyone, this is the FaithBot team from Macau Puiching Middle School. I'm Simon, the leader and also the main programmer of the team. This video presents you with some viewpoints and the design of our robot. To demonstrate our working process, we have invested a lot of time in working on our project. With the help of our teachers, we work hard to take on new challenges and improve our teamwork skills. We continue to work for different types of events and take part in different competitions, so we hope to get better in this event. My job is to manage the team and make sure every single unit is working, so as to create different use of them. During my studies, I've been taught a lot of skills. It was because I was interested in this project that I put more time and effort into it. At the same time, we tried different things in the project, such as building our own chassis and hardware. In programming, I try to add functions to have more value, possibility, and stability in the use of robots. So I will have to keep increasing my knowledge to prepare for this competition.
Hi, I'm Serene, the main hardware engineer and designer in the team. In my opinion, basic programming and engineering skills are necessary in order to create a useful surface robot. Of course, our goal in this project was to build a surface robot that could be operated indoor for normal user, the disabled and the elderly. Besides, I'm going to introduce the design of the robot. As you can see, not only the base is using the fast parts, but also the frame. There are 4 layers, including 3 normal sizes layer and 1 half-size layer. On the half layer, there is the power bank for the robot. Move on to the first layer, we put the lidar and the NUC, and we attached a robotic arm on the second layer. And at the last layer, there is a monitor and microphone.
Before starting the project, we realized that our previous robot didn't have a high-low bearing capacity. Also, due to its height and structure, it was not very steady while moving. Therefore, we are determined to solve both of this problem by designing and creating our unique chassis. Thankfully, we had the suitable components for the chassis in our laboratory. We also discovered a project that could be connected to the fax machine using the robot operating system. After testing the performance, we soon attached several necessary components such as lidar to the final navigation part. Here is the results of using rods in our fax chassis, and this is what it looks like with simple path planning and real navigation. As you can see, our robot starts to get a path for the goal. Afterward, the lidar will continue to detect the featured particles in the indoor environment so as to create a course map and to position in the area. Then, it keeps planning the path in the process of getting the map until it reaches the destination.
Hello, I'm Sunny, one of the programmers of the team. My job is to combine and debug the program. A few of the main functions are the robotic arm, speech recognition, and visual recognition. With this robotic arm, we can give the arm some values to control the degree of the joints or coordinates to set it in a specific position to grab daily objects. With the microphone and speaker, the robot can recognize keywords and follow the correct command or respond to the user. When the subject of the keywords is received, the robot will put it into action. For example, we can command the robot to hold an object for the user with its robotic arm, or order it to navigate to the specific destination.
Open the gripper. Close the gripper.
Using the camera, we use hand detection as one of the wake-up ways. Then the robot will start communicating with the user to obtain next step. It also detects the X and Y points to get where the user is pointing. Then the robot will navigate to the destination.
All in all, although the new chassis is the step forward for us, we are still only improving its basic functionality of it. So far, there is still a lot of development that can be made, so we expect more useful ideas, features, and structures in the future to enable more possibilities for our project. This is the end of our videos. Thank you.